So today I'm gonna be putting my Alocasia, oh my gosh, I don't remember the name I put in the screen. Alocasia, I don't remember, but I'm gonna be trying out semi-hydroponics on it for the first time. So I already washed the roots. See, I washed it. That's as much of the organic matter that I can get off, but it has a healthy root system. And I got a bunch of corm. Like I got all these corm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got those corms. So it has one leaf now. This is a newer leaf, and then the other older leaves died. All of them died. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when I bought it. I was so surprised to find it at Lowe's. But yeah, I am gonna try it in some hydroponics and see if I can have some success with growing it. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is the pot that I'm gonna be using, and then I'm gonna put it in a decorative ceramic pot. That's gonna be the cash pot that's gonna hold the water. And now my leca, it was soaking overnight. So let's get started. In nice root system. I don't want the root to touch the water at all. Let's see. Let me test the waters. There it is. Yeah, it's good. My roots touches the water. Lovely. I'm not burying the base. That's what it looks like. It's the cash pot with the water. So the water is reaching like right here. It's not gonna touch the roots because these are not water roots, they will rot. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer the top with some stones so this doesn't fall over. Make it a little bit heavier. Hopefully this is a success. This is what it turns out to be. Beautiful. I really hope that I could some success with this guy. I love this. It's actually one of the rare, well, that I can find locally, like in a big box store. Alocasias. Yeah, so I'll definitely update you guys on it. I'm gonna put the corms in some sphagnum moss, so one way or another I'm gonna have a lot of this guy. So definitely keep you guys updated on that. I added a tad bit of this fertilizer to the water as well. So I'm actually gonna put them in my prop box here. that I have with perlite. So I already have some on this side. Some, oh my gosh, what are those? Black velvet. There's a black velvet, and I believe, I don't remember if, I think it's one of this one as well, but I guess I'll see what they are when it started to grow. But I'm gonna put them on this side so I remember. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put them over here. So some of them are already having little nubbins, so I'm gonna stick them in the perlite. Since I already have the perlite, I am just gonna go ahead with that. And then more little nubbins coming. So what I might do is just put it in. Just gonna put them in a pot by themselves. It's a beautiful plant, so nothing's wrong with having two. I even gave one to a friend that I know that's into plants as well. So yeah, I'm gonna just put them in my prop box, and I'll keep you guys posted, updated on how it turns out. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notification turned on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.